Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, what is our approach towards money? From the spiritual point of view, we are going to discuss this. In olden days, money was not used. Money did not exist also. Money was the later invention of human beings. To transact in our daily life, money was used. It is well and good. Later, the invention of money itself has created lots of problem with human beings. Those who are having money are respected. Those who did not have enough money were neglected. They were treated as second class citizens. On the other hand, those who are having more and more money are respected like anything. They are respected like gods. That is a problem with respect to having money. People think that money gives all the power. So people are after earning more and more money. Hence, rat race is created. People are involved in rat race. Rat race empties all the creative power from the brain. People become enemies. Those who are having more money, they don't respect those who do not have enough money. Hence, poor and rich exist here. Rich people do not respect the so-called poor people. Hence, humanity is divided on the basis of have and have nots. Now, if we discuss this from the spiritual point of view, whether people have money or do not have money, spiritually does not make any difference. We state that all the human beings are to be respected equally. Those who are having money must share with those who are not having enough money. Human beings should cooperate with each other. That is what real spirituality is. Now, if a person is occupied with money, earning money always, what happens? The whole brain is occupied. It does not have any empty space. Now, what is the purpose of meditation? Meditation is simply observing the mind to empty the mind. The empty mind has enormous energy. The empty mind is simply not empty. The empty brain, the empty mind has enormous power. If the brain and mind are occupied always, then the brain cells degenerate. Hence, people are not creative. The main point here is why people are not creative. Because their minds are totally occupied with earning money more and more. Day and night, this is the only thinking. Hence, the brain has become imitative. We are imitative human beings, not original human beings. Even in temples to worship God, money is demanded. In all the ashrams, money is the major point to be collected. Lots of money are collected in the ashrams in the name of God. This is the everyday happening. So our whole mind is occupied with money. An occupied mind is not spiritual. Hence, meditation is useful. Meditation is to empty our mind. We must have space in our mind so that creativity takes place. to creativity takes place, mind must have some space, so that mind and brain are at rest. But nowadays, what happens? Too much occupied with the mind to earn money, deprives of their brain its own capacity and creativity. Hence, mind must have some space. If we observe our mind very closely, between two thoughts, space is created. Hence, mind and brain are becoming energetic. Brain has enormous capacity. To enhance the capacity, space must be needed. We can use awareness to do this. Completely empty mind is creative. Empty mind means mind has enormous capacity. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.